Welcome to Module 6 of the S4 Virtual Bootcamp, Advanced Concepts. In order to protect the health of both our staff and our partners, we made the decision to discontinue our 2-day S4 Bootcamp training sessions. We hope that this series of presentations capture the essence of an in-person bootcamp. I'm Steve Jones, your presenter for this module. Earlier versions of our S4 Open BACnet-N2 router had the ability to merge multiple N2 buses into a single logical N2 bus. With the availability of smaller yet powerful hardware platforms, it becomes more practical to install a S4 Open BACnet-N2 router for each smaller N2 bus. In cases where you are supporting multiple N2 buses, the system automatically translates the N2 address as required to make sure all addresses published upstream are unique. Translation starts at the upper end of the address space and assigns the next available unused address. A future enhancement will be to utilize commercially available Ethernet serial servers instead of physically connecting the N2 bus to the N2 router. It is anticipated that the feature will be utilized to access devices in remote locations of a building or on campuses where a robust Ethernet network is available. Another future enhancement will implement a virtual COM port managed by the S4 Open Management Console that enables standard Metasys utilities to be installed on any Windows PC in the enterprise. As an interim solution, use Ethernet serial servers and the upstream N2 interface of each N2 router. See the published article describing how a critical environment has implemented this solution. The source for device templates are maintained as CSV files. Device templates are keyed to the N2 hardware type and loaded application. All BACnet properties for devices and points are defined in device templates. S4 integration partners can prune unneeded points from the device templates or modify properties to meet your engineering standards. Smart data points are virtual data points published to BACnet that are driven by scripts defined in the device template that transform data found in N2 points. DX9100 devices are uniquely programmed for each installation, so the concept of a fixed static template does not work for these devices. The S4 group provides a utility that parses the .dmo configuration or resource file for each device and creates a custom S4 device template that exactly matches the system configuration. This template is then imported into the template catalog and manually assigned to the specific DX9100 that it represents. This is where the Metasys configuration file conversion utility can be found. In addition to supporting the DX9100 DMO files, it also has the ability to convert .prn files for any other N2 device. This will pick up single side loops in N2 Open or VMA devices or the configuration of any custom programmed device. This is an example of a simple smart data point. Metasys starts multi-state points at a value of 0. The BACnet standard requires these to start at 1. Evaluation of the smart data point present value is triggered by BACnet read or write operations. The smart data points feature enables emulation of other manufacturer devices. Many of you have heard me say over the years, we are not successful until you are successful. Thank you for your time and attention. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have questions about the S4 Open BACnet-N2 router or would like to discuss a specific project that we might work on together to create another success story.